Hi everyone, in this video I wanted to cover how to make sure you're choosing the right size hook for the fish you're targeting. And to illustrate this jaw is from a 60 centimeter mulloway, also known as jewfish or dusky cob. Now the size limit of this fish as of today in New South Wales, Australia is actually 70 centimeters. So if you were to catch this fish today, it would actually be classed as undersized and you would actually have to release it. Now, only reason I actually keep this in the shop is to show customers that there's no need to be scared of using bigger hooks. When you're selecting the hook size, you need to account for the fact that the bait takes up part of the gap, and then you need to penetrate through flesh and make it out the other side. Now obviously if the fish swallows the hook and you end up gut hooking it, then you could still land this fish on a much smaller hook. But remember, this is only a juvenile. So a mature adult is significantly larger. My preferred size hook for chasing mulloway, also known as jewfish or dusky cod, is a 10-0 octopus hook. Now yes, you don't have to use a 10-0, but I do recommend using an absolute minimum of 8-0 or bigger when it comes to your hook size if you're targeting these species. And for anyone that thinks a 10-0 hook is too big, here's an entire packet of 10-0 hooks, and it fits in its mouth, no problem at all. So if an entire packet of 10-0 hooks can fit in a juvenile mulloway's mouth, I don't see how a single 10-0 hook would be too big. You have a way better chance of getting a clean hookup. And this applies to all fish. You just need to make sure the size of your hook needs to be able to cleanly and effectively penetrate that fish's mouth. Because no matter how good your hook is, or how good your bait is, or how fancy your fishing gear is, if the hook physically isn't able to hook the fish you're targeting, then you're not going to do very well. So the key to make sure you're using the right hook size: number one, consider the size of the bait you're using, and number two, consider the size of the species of fish that you're targeting. As long as the hook size you're using is able to physically penetrate that fish's mouth cleanly, you'll have a lot more success compared to using a hook that's too small and missing fish just because the hook physically is not able to penetrate that jaw. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.